Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. This is a practice video for the previous lesson that we had about comparative adjectives in Tagalog. For each item, I will give you 5 seconds to answer the question before I provide the correct answer. If you need more time, you can always pause the video. Let us begin. Complete the following sentences. You can choose between kay sakay and kay sasa. Mango tastes better than coconut. Mas masarap ang mangga kaysa sa buko. Grandma is older than grandpa. Mas matanda si lola kaysa kay lolo. Carlo is more reliable than Arnel. Mas maaasahan si Carlo kaysa kay Arnel. The church is closer to here than the wet market. Mas malapit dito ang simbahan kaysa sa palengke. English is harder than Tagalog. Mas mahirap ang Ingles kaysa sa Tagalog. Complete the following sentences. They are happier than us. By us, you mean you and the person that you are speaking to. Mas masaya sila kaysa sa atin. Or you can shorten sa atin to satin. Isabel is braver than me. Mas matapang si Isabel kaysa sa akin. Or you can shorten sa akin to sakin. He was more surprised than you. Mas nagulat siya kaysa sa iyo. Again, you may shorten sa iyo to sayo. Elisa is more contented in life than him. Mas kontento sa buhay si Elisa kaysa sa kanya. Rika and Eddie are happier than them. Mas masaya sina Rika at Eddie kaysa sa kanila. Form the following sentences in Tagalog. You may use the vocabulary table below as a guide. The mountain is higher than the hill. Mas mataas ang bundok kaysa sa burol. My bag is heavier than his bag. Mas mabigat ang bag ko kaysa sa bag niya. So if you didn't get this one because of bag ko and bag niya, you may review my lesson about expressing possession. I will place the link at the upper right corner of this video. The train is faster than the bus. Mas mabilis ang tren kaysa sa bus. I am shorter than my brother. Mas maliit ako kaysa sa kapatid ko. Patricia's watch is more expensive than my car. Mas mahal ang relo ni Patricia kaysa sa sasakyan ko. Again, this one, if in case you did not get it correctly because of relo ni Patricia or sasakyan ko, These were discussed in my previous lesson about expressing possession. Carmen is friendlier than Rafael. Mas palakaibigan si Carmen kaysa kay Rafael. The bed is comfier than the chair. Mas komportable ang kama kaysa sa upuan. Tom is more creative than his classmates. Mas malikhain si Tom kaysa sa mga kaklase niya. I am more nervous than Joel. Mas kabado ako kaysa kay Joel. The province is more peaceful than Manila. Mas tahimik ang probinsya kaysa sa Maynila. So, how well did you do in today's practice video? You may let me know in the comments. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.